How to create a sticker on WhatsApp on Android. This tutorial shows you how to make your own custom sticker directly inside the app. First, open the WhatsApp app on your Android device. After that, open any chat and tap on the attachment icon next to the message bar. From there, tap on Sticker to open the sticker creator. At this point, you'll be taken to your gallery. Go ahead and select the photo you want to turn into a sticker. In the next step, WhatsApp will automatically cut out the subject of the photo and turn it into a sticker for you. Following this, if the cutout doesn't look right, you can manually adjust it by using the eraser or crop tools available on the screen. Once done, you can also add text or doodles on top of the sticker using the editing tools before saving it. From here, tap on Add to Favorites or Save to add the sticker to your collection so you can use it anytime. Finally, once it's saved, you can find it in your sticker tray and send it in any chat just like a regular sticker. And that's it. If this guide helped you create your own sticker on WhatsApp on your Android, give it a like, subscribe for more WhatsApp tutorials, and tap the bell icon for updates. See you in the next one.